Hello, I am Stephanie Korn, an instructional tech specialist at East High School. Today we're going to look at how to create breakout rooms by pre-assigning them in Zoom and using CSV files from Google Classroom to create those breakout rooms. So if you go to Zoom, it has to be the web browser, and zoom.us, you log in with your D303 Google account and click the Meetings tab. Find the meeting that you would like to add the breakout room to and select Edit. Then in the editing features, if you scroll down to Meeting option, we are going to select Breakout Room Pre-assign. We are going to import from CSV. Now, the reason we're doing this first before we have our CSV file is because it helps to download this template. This shows you exactly what it should look like so that Zoom can read it. So if you click Download Template, it always saves to your downloads, and you open it. It should automatically save as an Excel file. It shows you need your pre-assigned room name and your email addresses that go in each room. So now you can add as many rooms in this column as you need, and this is where we will put our student email addresses. Okay, so we need room name and email address. So let's go into Google Classroom. If you go to your grades and then you click on an assignment, up here, if you click the settings, it gives you the option to download the grades as a CSV. So we're going to do that, and we're not going to use the grade portion of it. Instead, we are going to use the email portion of it. So here we have our gradebook CSV file, and I am going to just copy and paste the email addresses to my breakout room template. All right, so first let's delete these test ones. Okay, so now I am going to copy and paste. I want that one there. And I want this one here. And then if you have anybody you want to add, this would be the place to do it. So once you have copy and pasted all of your student email addresses over, after you've added any additional names, if there are any, I'm going to delete room 3 because I don't need it. Now we are going to File, Save As, and I need to make sure this file type is a CSV, and if you are using our work laptops, it needs to be the MS-DOS version. I'm going to give it a name, Breakout Room Loading File. Save, and that's okay. You want to keep using this format. Say yes. Now, if I go back into Zoom, I click Browse to choose my file. I find my file, Breakout Room Loading File. It automatically loads it. Notice I have room 1, the people I put in there, room 2, the people I put in there. And you can still edit it on this screen. You can rearrange participants, add some, delete some, whatever you needed to do. But this could be a quicker and easier way of loading your students in here rather than having to find out all their email addresses and typing them in.